Hello guys, welcome to live. Today's session, yeah, it's kind of important. Let me open the notepad. Yeah. So today we talk about quality score, ad rank, actual CPC. So these are very important. This Google calculate actually, but some kind of maths is involved in this. I'll try to make it very simple. Okay. Before we start, yesterday I asked one question like your ad is not appearing. So someone searching, you also searching, your ad is not appearing. Tell me five reasons why your ad is not appearing. So you got any answers for that?
Yes, sir, but the reasons were completely about not at all appearing there. It's not partial, like it's saying not
What's the
bidding enough and schedule is restricted.
your voice is not clear, Pawn.
Yes, 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 yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
So
So what is the reason?
the reasons were all about not at all appearing the ad. Like ad is not appearing at all.
Mhm.
Those reasons are not bidding enough and ad schedule is too much restricted and accidentally bidded low amount.
So
Those
so
reasons
your
were given.
CPC normal terms will talk. CPC is low. Like on top seven, people are there whose CPC is 100, 120, 140. You're going something 40. Obviously, ad will not appear. If your CPC is low, your ad will not appear. Next,
A- Ad schedule is too much restricted.
ad schedule. Like there is an option called ad schedule. Like I want to show my ad on Monday to Friday, morning 9 to 12, but you're searching at 1 o'clock. This is also one reason. Okay. Next,
Negative words, like
negative keywords.
giving.
Let's talk about
Yes.
keywords only. Keyword not targeted. So what are the keyword you're searching? The advertiser not even targeted. So that is also one reason. Next,
Uh, actually, this is the ad might be stopped or removed or passed.
for what?
Hello, sir.
Maybe your campaign paused.
Yeah, sir. Passed,
Campaign paused.
stopped, or
Okay.
removed.
Next.
The negative adjustments are too large.
I added keywords, so it comes under that. Any other?
Okay. Those are five I've written on my notebook actually.
Your daily budget exhaust
Yeah.
is also a reason, right?
But
I don't know, exhaust spelling. Okay, I'm just going. If your daily budget exhaust, then on low, one reason. But one more reason is quality score as well. If your quality score is low, then also your ad will not be appearing. Okay.
these
Maybe
all
your budget
reasons just
exhaust, daily budget exhaust, but quality score also matter. Today we talk about the quality score. What is quality score? Why it affect?
sir.
Yeah,
But I didn't get the answer why the ad didn't appear to you on your SPRP page.
I didn't get you.
Like yesterday, it doesn't appear to you, right? The ad
Yes,
on the SCRP
yes,
page.
correct.
I didn't get that answer. Why appear to us and not to you?
So it can be any of the reasons. So keyword is okay. Maybe the quality score. You can see this. Maybe your quality score is low. One more option also there. Sevens and it depends on the Google actually. Previously, there used to have an option. Even I forgot the option. Now there is no such option. Google Manage. Like, see your daily budget. Your daily budget is 1,000. Your CPC is 100. How many clicks are possible?
10 clicks, sir.
How many clicks are possible?
10 clicks.
10 clicks are possible, right? 10 clicks are possible. These 10 clicks can happen early in the morning, right? Like
Yes, sir.
morning 8 a.m. also a 10 clicks can happen. Okay. So, but what Google will do is Google have a responsibility of spending your budget throughout the day. So when morning 8 a.m. one or two clicks happens, Google pause your ad. It will it will store your budget for a next hour, 9 a.m., at 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m. So throughout the day, it will try to allocate the budget. So in that case also, ad might be not appearing. You got what I'm saying?
Yeah, got
So
it.
previously, there was an option called standard and accelerated versus accelerated. By default, option will be standard. Standard means your budget will allocate throughout the day. So one guy able to see and click means other guy might not see because Google want to spend your daily budget throughout the day. But if you select accelerated, your budget can finish immediately in the first hour itself. If any emergency is there, your shop is opening and you want to have more clicks, you can go for that. Now Google have removed this option. By default, it is standard only. So this is also one reason when you searching ad is appearing, when I'm searching ad is not appearing because Google is systematically spending the budget. Got one?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Pradeep, low account balance also kind of correct. Okay. Now let's talk about the quality score. About all the reasons, what is quality score? Quality score is a score given by Google. Google only gave you. Score is between 1 to 10. 1 is low and 10 is good. Means they should try to get 10. It depends on CTR plus ad relevance plus landing page experience. These are three elements. CTR plus ad relevance plus landing page experience. I'll explain one by one what are these. CTR is nothing but click through rate. Like we have A and B. There are two advertisers. A CPC is 30 and B CPC is 20. So A want to pay 30 rupees per click, B want to pay 20 rupees per click. Now, what is the ad rank of A if only two ads are appearing? What is the ad rank of A?
One, sir.
Yes. What do you mean by ad rank?
Uh, the number of the rank of the ad on a CRP page.
So total, as I said, seven ads will be there. Top four, bottom three. Sometimes five, sometimes three, sometimes no. But a proper CRP structure is top four and bottom three ads. Now, ad rank means position of your ad. Position of upgrade ad is one. This guy is two. This guy is three. This guy is four. So, why this guy is coming on a fourth position?
Maybe the bid and quality score is very good.
So, ad rank. So, I initially think ad rank depends on CPC. This is not true, but I'll show you why it is not true. So, we can simply say that if you pay good CPC, your ad rank will be good. Okay. In that case, ad rank of A is 1, ad rank of B is 2. Now, for the particular keyword, both of them targeting the same keyword, then total impressions. 100 people search the keyword digital marketing course in Hyderabad, and these two ads are appearing. So 100 impressions for A and 100 impressions for B as well. Both of them got impressions. Now clicks. Let's talk about clicks. Because A is coming on top, we guess that he'll be getting more click. 80. This is not true, but I'm just mentioning. He's coming second, that's why he's getting 20 clicks. CPR. CPR is nothing but click-through rate. CPR equals to number of clicks by number of impressions into 100. Now in this case, what is the answer? Number of clicks are 80 by 100 into 100. So 80%. Here, 20% means 80% of the people are clicking on the first ad, 20% of the people are clicking on the second one. So your quality score depends on CTR. What CTR depends on, guys? How to get high CTR? Now this guy's CTR is 80%. How to get high CTR for a particular advertiser?
uh,
Okay.
pay them high amount so we
So
can
first
get.
of all, you should get more clicks so that your CTR is good. You want to get more clicks, your ad rank should be first. To get your ad rank first, your CPC should be good. That's it. So what I'm trying to say is initially, whenever you want to run an ad, CPC should be good. If CPC is good, what happens? Your ad rank will be good. If your ad rank is good, then what happens? Your clicks will be more. If your clicks are more, your click-through rate is good. If your click-through rate is good, it directly impact on your quality score. See, so I'm mentioning quality score. So your quality score also good. Then what happens if your CTR is good? Then your quality score increases. Because this guy's CTR is good, I should not his quality score is 8 and this guy quality score is 2. I should. Then what happens? His CPC will come down. He's paying 30 rupees, right? Now Google says that don't pay 30 rupees, just pay 18 rupees. Now second guy, how much is paying? He's paying 20. According to us, what I said, ad rank depends on CPC. So the person who pays highest will come on top. But let's see now. This guy is paying 18, he's coming on top. This guy is paying 20, he's coming second. So ad rank not only depends on CPC, quality score also matter. So please remember this. So whenever you're running an ad for the first time for advertiser, always make sure that your CPC is good. If your CPC is good, ad rank will be good. You'll attract more clicks. Your CTR is good. It will affect your quality score so that your CPC will come down. Okay. So this is CTR. Next, ad relevance. Ad relevance means customer is searching SAP training in Hyderabad, but someone searching your SEO training in Hyderabad ad is appearing. In what situation this happens? Customer is searching for something else, but he landed on a different one. In what situation? Yeah. So customer searching for SAP training in Hyderabad, still your SEO training in Hyderabad ad is appearing. In what situation this happens?
Broad match situation.
Yeah, when you use broad match, because the broad match single word appeared and ad is appearing. So customer saw and click. The ad is not relevant, customer is not happy, he will come back immediately. So that's why make sure that your ad should be relevant. So make sure that use phrase match with negative keywords or use exact match. But don't use broad match. If you use, ad will be irrelevant. If ad is irrelevant, nobody clicks. Some clicks also, they'll come back immediately. So make sure this. Next, landing page experience. Customer came to your website, he clicked on your ad, he clicked on your ad, but ad is the website is still loading, or this is not mobile friendly. Okay, then what happens? Customer page experience, landing page experience is bad, he will be coming back. So Google decides your qualities based on CTR, ad relevance, landing page experience. How to increase the CTR? I clearly told you, initially go with a good CPC so that you'll get a good CTR. To improve the ad relevance, make sure that use phrase match and exact match. And one more thing is there, related keywords should be in one ad group. Like you want to run ads for a digital marketing course. What people think is, just think about it. Okay, so you're running ads for ODMG and you want to run ads for Hyderabad only. So Hyderabad location. And I want to use only one ad group called digital marketing because only one course is there. In digital marketing, I want to have keywords, right? Now this guy using a keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, Google Ads course in Hyderabad. Next, digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Whatever they search, your ad is in such a way that your ad shows that digital marketing course 100% job. This is there. Someone searching digital marketing course in Hyderabad, if you show this ad, this is really good. But someone searching SEO course in Hyderabad, they are showing digital marketing. It's okay, but sometimes customer feel this ad is irrelevant. When someone searching SEO course, ad should be SEO only. Then what are you gonna do to rectify this mistake? Someone searching SEO course in Hyderabad, I want to show SEO course in only. Then what you have to do? Someone searching Google Ads course, I want to show that only. So what you're going to do with this?
We'll use phrase match or broad match modifier.
No, that is not the solution. Any other answers, guys?
Negative match.
No. Someone searching SEO course, I want to show SEO course only, not the digital marketing. Flower bucket in headline, no. Try guys, anyone try this? So simple, it's very simple. What you can do is see completely, this is the campaign and this is the ad group. You created only one ad group. Okay, you should create three ad groups. All SEO keywords should be in one ad group. All Google Ads keywords should be in one ad group. All digital marketing. So you have to divide your ad group not because of the services. I'm providing only digital marketing course. No, check out your keywords. All similar keywords should be in one ad group. Then it will work out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm dividing Hyderabad campaign. What I'm doing is I'm dividing into three different ad group. One is SEO, one is Google Ads, one is digital marketing. If social media is there, you can use that as well. Okay. Now this is the ad group. Under SEO, I'll put all SEO keywords. SEO codes in Hyderabad, SEO training in Hyderabad, SEO classes in Hyderabad. And to represent this, every ad group should have one ad, right? Now here I will be adding like SEO codes in Hyderabad, 100% job. Now in Google Ads, I'll add Google Ads related keywords like Google Ads, courts in Hyderabad. Now ad should be the same. Now here, digital marketing. Does it make sense, guys? All of you? So people think that I want to create one ad campaign, one ad group, few keywords is enough. No, that's not correct. A best campaign should be in such a way that try to have multiple campaigns, multiple ad groups. How to divide the ad groups? I told you like based on the services, no, not based on the services. First of all, try all the keywords related to business. Maybe you have 100 keywords. Among them, similar keywords, put it in one ad group. Put it in one ad group. Then what happens? All of them, this is the relevant ad for this relevant, for this relevant. Then what happens? You will satisfy this one, ad relevance. Most of the advertisers fail here. Any question on this? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Finally, landing page experience, as said, it's all about your hosting, how fast it is, whether it is mobile friendly or not. If everything is fine, the landing page experience will be good. Based on that, Google give you. It's Google give you. It's not in our hands. What you can do is make sure that you attract more clicks. Again, getting more clicks depends not only if you come on top, you will not get clicks. Sometimes customer click on this 100% placement assistant. So how you write ad copy also attract more clicks. So your CTR depends on where your ad is appearing, how your ad copy. Ad relevant depends on how you distributed your keywords. Final landing page experience about how your page experience, how fast it's loading, whether it's mobile friendly or not. Based on all these things, quality score Google give you from 1 to 10. Getting above 6 is really good actually. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is good. But less than 6 means you should worry that you're getting a less quality score. This is about the Google quality score. Next, we thought that ad rank. Ad rank depends on CPC asset. If your CPC is good, your ad rank, no, it's not correct. I'll show you with the formula how Google calculate ad rank. Again, this ad rank also calculated by the Google only. Google only assign these numbers. How they assign, I'm going to show you here. Let me take this example. In the notepad. So there are A, B, C, D, and the CPC is 2025, 15, 18, 20, 25, 15, 18, and the quality score is 5478. 5, 4, 7, 8. Okay, so there are four advertisers. They're running ads for a particular keyword. A ready to spend 20, B 25, C 15, and D 18. According to you, if CPC only matters, who should come on top? Which advertiser should come on top?
B, sir.
B,
B.
because B is paying 25. Second,
A.
What? A.
A. Third,
C.
D.
D. And fourth is
C.
C. But I'm telling you, Google is not caring only CPC. I should not Google caring quality score. First of all, how this guy got a quality score of 5? How this guy got a quality score of 5?
Because of his CPC.
Based on CPC?
Yes, sir.
No. Someone answer how these people got this quality score based on what parameters?
Quality score.
Yes, guys. How Google gave him this guy quality score of 8?
Sir,
Yeah.
isn't it?
See, in the chat box, someone mentioned CTR plus ad relevancy and landing page experience. Only with the CPC, Google will not calculate. The campaign is run, they check the CTR of this guy, ad relevance and landing page experience. Then Google have assigned this. This is not in our control. Google give this number. But your because of your performance only. First of all, how many clicks are coming? What is CTR? And how relevant is your ad? Now see here, this guy is paying 20, but his quality score is 5 only. He's paying 18, but his quality score is 8 because his CTR is good, his ad relevance is good, his landing page experience is good. Okay. So assume that if Google calculating only quality score, then this guy should come on top. 8, this guy should come on top. Second, this guy, third, fourth. But no, Google calculate both. Google calculate CPC, Google calculate quality score. Then what they do is they multiply CPC into quality score, they do it. Let's see this 20 into 5, 100, 100, not 5, 144. This is called ad rank score. Ad rank score. What if only one parameter should not count? If you really want to check both of them, what they're doing, they're multiplying. When they multiply, whose number is highest, they will be coming on top. Now Google calculate ad rank based on the ad rank score. Now tell me whose ad rank score is good? D 144. So he will come on first position. Second 105, he'll come in a second position. Third is a tie. Both are coming in a same. Then Google check the quality score. This guy quality score is good. So he will come in a third position. And this is fourth. You don't have to worry. We will not going to do this. This Google will decide. This quality score also Google only calculate. This ad rank also Google only calculate. But why we are learning? Because if you learn, you can do wonders. That is the only reason. Now, if you check it, the guy who is paying highest 25, his CPC highest, he should come on top, but he end up coming in a fourth position. This clearly shows that only CPC, if you go for a good CPC, you will not win the position. Why? Because his quality score became very less. Now let's come to this guy. His quality score is really good. Don't think that because of that only coming on top. Now assume that he reduced his CPC. He's reduced his CPC to 10. Now 10 into 8, 80. Ad rank score is 80, end up in fourth position. So only quality score also doesn't matter. Both are very important. For a successful campaign, you should maintain a good CPC at the same time good quality score. CPC in your hand, you can put CPC. But to get a quality score, make sure that you write very good headlines, use proper match types, okay, and make sure that all the relevant keywords you should put it in one ad group, and make sure that your website loads very fast, then automatically quality score improves. Any questions, guys? How many clicks do we need for ad rank to calculate? Pradeep, it we will not calculate. Google will calculate. At the end of the day, within 24 hours, Google calculate all these things. Okay. So now my question, there are two questions. There is an answer. How Google calculate quality score and ad rank? How Google calculate quality score? So based on CPR
Ad
plus
relevance,
ad relevance plus
landing page.
landing page
Yes.
experience. When it comes to ad rank, how Google calculate ad rank? Previously I said CPC. If your CPC is good, ad rank no. CPC into quality score. You know our CPC and Google gave quality score. CPC into quality score equals to ad rank score. You see here ad rank score. Whose ad rank score is good? Google assign the best ad rank. That's it. Again, these all calculations you don't have to remember. These two designed by the Google only. Google only calculate this. Then what I have to do while I running a campaign, what I have to focus? You have to focus only one thing. First of all, make sure that your ad copy is good so that people should click. Use proper extensions. Next, use proper keyword match types. Don't use broad match. Use phrase match with negative or exact match with negative. Next thing, you have to divide your keywords into different ad groups. Don't put it in only one ad group. That doesn't work. If you put it in different ad groups, you can write a better headlines in the ad copy so that people think it's relevant, they click on that. Next thing is your website should load very fast so that your landing page experience is good. If all are good, Muhammad Aftab, can we check quality score? Yes, we can check quality score. There is an option where you can check the quality score. I will show you that as well. Ad rank though you will check on the Google or ad preview diagnosis you can check. But when it comes to quality score, I will show you today where that option is. Finally, one more parameter Google calculate is in the bidding. I ask you to go for a max CPC. I always says that go for automatic bidding with a max CPC. If your max CPC is 80 rupees, each time customer clicking on your ad, how much amount deducted? You mentioned your max CPC as 80. Now, when it comes to Pawan, in his campaign, he used 140. But each time customer clicking 140 is not deducting. How much is deducting? Tell me. How Google calculate the actual CPC? What is the actual CPC? Every time customer clicking on your ad, how much amount will be deducted? Pradeep says 81. Yeah, if it is 80, he's saying 81.
But yeah, after the taxation,
140. Huh?
Google, like Google gives kind of an off from our price by the quality score we have.
Now forget about the quality score. Check. Without quality score, tell me. You mentioned that I want to pay maximum 140 each time customer clicking on your ad. How much amount will you get? See, Pradeep, now it's correct. Second computer CPC plus one. That's correct, right? See, it's very simple, you know. A paying, he says that his max CPC is 140. Now, there is a guy called B. He says that I want to pay 30 rupees. Your, your amount will be 30 plus 1. 31 it will take. I told you, right? If your competitors say 2, Google say 3. If your competitors say 20, Google say 21. If your competitors say 80, it say 81. If your competitors say 139, Google say 140. If your competitors say 142, Google say that I'm fine, I'm 40 because your max CPC is 140 only. So actual CPC calculation is equals to competitor CPC plus 1 rupee. Generally, Google charge it as a $0.01. But here is the formula. We mentioned that Google will not calculate only CPC. So the formula will become bigger. So what I'm trying to explain you today is you mentioned your max CPC as 140 rupees. I've seen yesterday Pawan campaign. It was charging 105 rupees, 106 rupees because the competitor, how much is invested, just plus $0.01 Google is charging. But here quality score also matters. Here it will become competitor CPC, right? Actual formula equals to competitor ad rank score by your quality score. Again, this is done by Google. You don't have to remember this, but for your understanding only. Plus $0.01. Plus $0.01. And I'll make your job easy. Add rank score. What do you mean by add rank score? Can you see above formula and tell me? What do you mean by add rank score? It is
CPC into quality
CPC into
score.
quality score equals to add rank score. So CPC into quality score. When you type add rank score. So when you try this formula, it will become CPC into quality score by again your quality score mentioned, right? Quality score plus $0.01. What happens if you do maths, quality score by quality score? It will become competitor CPC plus $0.01. You can't do it anyway, the different quality score different, but I'm trying to make you simple. So you just remember this one. Your competitor CPC plus $0.01. But actual thing is computer add rank score by your quality score plus $0.01. To make your job easy, I'm going to show you one more maths like this so that you will easily understand. Again, today's class, what I'm trying to tell you is not these formula and all these things. You don't even remember, no need to remember these things. But you should know what is quality score, what is ad rank, actual CPC, so that you can do better campaigns. So let me play this. This is my earlier video where I use the formulas. If I need this graph, so I'm using this. Yeah, I want this. Let me take. So there are four competitors again here: A, B, C, D, and here max CPC. How much they want to pay? And I want to pay $2, 268 dollar 468 $4 6 and $8. Means his max CPC is $2. Next quality score is 10,421. 10 4 2 1. Okay, done. Let me see this. I want all of you to active and try to answer this. Here there are four competitors running a campaign for a particular keyword. A says that I want to pay a maximum of $2. Means every time customer click on ad, how much amount will be deducted? An estimation? Is it $2 or more? So he says max CPC is $2. Every time customer click on the ad, how much amount will be deducted? Is it $2 or more or less? Yes. Any answer? Pawan,
Sir,
Lakshmi, Harsh.
can you ask the question again, sir?
So there are four competitors. A ready to pay maximum $2. So every time customer click on this ad, how much money will be deducted? Is it $2 or more per click?
It's
More.
it is
It's
more,
more.
sir. Competitor plus $0.01.
Then how you can say it's more? It has to be less, right? The meaning itself says that max I want to pay 150. See, when you mentioned your
Yeah.
CPC is 140, they are not taking more than that. They're taking less than that, right? See, so
Yeah,
it
sir.
should be less than that. Don't say more than that. So when you say now, what we're trying to calculate is how much Google is charging. What is
Yeah.
your actual CPC only? Okay, right? Two or less, correct. Next, quality score. Now this guy got a quality score of 10. Can I know why this guy got a quality score of 10?
Based on his CPR, ad relevance, and landing page experience.
Correct. Based on so that Google gave him based on his CTR, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Now we want to calculate actual CPC. So we discussed if you really want to calculate actual CPC, what you need is ad rank score you want it and quality score is given. I want to have a ad rank score. So I think you already know how to calculate ad rank score. CPC into quality score. So 2 into 10, 20, and 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 12, and 8 into 1 is 8. Yeah, now let's take the formula. If you really want to know when you every time you're paying maximum $2, how much is Google charging? It should be less than $2. So your immediate competitor is this guy, B. So when it comes to your formula is your competitor ad rank score. Your competitor is B. What is his ad rank score?
16.
16. Your competitor ad rank score is 16 by your quality score. What is your quality score? A quality score
10.
10 plus $0.01. The formula is around $1.6. What does it means? When you're ready to pay $2 maximum based on your competitor performance, Google charging only $1.6. That's why whenever you put your CPC, when you say 140, it's not charging 140. It was charging around 106 and 107 only. Next, let us calculate the B1. For B, the immediate competitor is this guy. The formula for B competitor is C. Your competitor ad rank score, how much? B, be ready to pay $4. But I want to calculate how much Google charge him, actual CPC. So what is his competitor ad rank score? B competitor is C. What is the ad rank score?
12, sir.
12. So 12 by your quality score. What is your quality score? B quality score is 4 plus $0.01, which is equals to $3.01. So you says that I'm ready to pay $4, but it's Google charging me for $3 only. Now please calculate for C and put the answer in the chat box. C ready to pay $6 max. I want to know how much Google charge. So this formula you have to use. I'm mentioning here for your ease. Yeah. I want you to write the answer for C. What should be the answer? Correct answer, tell me.
$4.01.
4 points. So here, competitor ad rank score is 8. Your quality score is 2. 8 by 2 means which is $4.01. I'm writing here 8 by 2 plus $0.01, which is equals to $4.01. This is really good. You have to pay $6, but Google charging you. The last one, there is no competitors. So his max CPC is going to be his actual CPC, $8. He end up losing more money. His max CPC is going to be his actual CPC because his quality score is less. There is no competitor for him. That's why you should always improve the quality score. This is how Google calculate. So this leads to the discussion how Google calculate. Again, I'm writing how Google calculate quality score, ad rank, actual CPC. Can you please tell me how Google calculate quality score? It depends on three parameters. What are that? Yes. Lakshmi, Harsha, answer. Quality score depends on three parameters. What are that? The live students, you can put it in. Yeah.
CTR plus
Ad
ad
relevance.
relevance plus landing page experience.
Now, ad rank depends on what? Generally, I said CPC, but it's not correct. Ad rank depends on what? Ad rank depends on what?
CPC into
CPC into quality
quality
score.
score is equal to ad rank score.
You will be getting an ad rank score. Whose ad rank score is good, that guy will come on top. Actual CPC. So when it comes to actual CPC, I said that
Competitor CPC
uh,
plus
if your
1.
max CPC, if your max CPC is 140 rupees, then the actual CPC will be your competitor CPC plus
Plus 1.
$0.01. But actually, the formula is not this. You can remember this. Actual formula is competitor ad rank score by your quality score plus $0.01. So don't forget, you will be never calculate this. This Google will calculate. But you want to know this, that's why I gave all the mathematical. Actually, this class is not at all important for you, but if you have this knowledge, it's really good in the future. Okay, I hope you understood this. And someone asked me where to check the quality score. I'm going to show you that where you will be having a quality score. I'm going to check yesterday's campaign here. So with this, your search network will be done. From tomorrow, we'll be going for a display network. Yeah, how to check the quality score, I'm going to show you. Campaign. Remember, quality score will be at a keyword level. Every keyword, not a campaign or ad group. So go to keyword first. Now here, this keyword have impression. See, CTR is there. See, CTR is 44%. Cost, average CPC. But there is no column. Generally, these columns are too much. That's why the different columns they haven't given. If you really want to add columns, here is an option called column. And you can, by default, as of now, these columns are there. If you want, you can add it. So what you want is quality score, right? The quality score, apply. Now you can able to see the quality score. See, the digital marketing training in Hyderabad quality score is 3, and digital marketing course in Hyderabad quality score is 6. And why the less, why the more? Again, it depends on the parameters. Your click to rate, how many clicks happens, and whether the ad is relevant or not, and how the landing page experience. Based on all these things, it will be there. But you have a very less data. If you have more data, you can properly interpret it. This is how you can check the quality score. 6 is good actually, 3 is less actually. But again, this data is very less. If you have more data, you can find out. Okay, that's it. Any questions on today's session, guys? Is everything is fine?
Yes.
Okay, so generally weekends we don't have class, but we'll try to have a class. Will you be available for tomorrow class?
Yes, sir.
On
Yes, sir.
yes. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be talking about display network. Till now, search network. Someone searching how to show the ad we learn. But tomorrow, while you're watching a TV, ads are coming right in such a way. How to have a banner ads. We're gonna learn in the tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. So as we discussed, from every day, we used to have a live at 6 o'clock. We adjusted to 5 o'clock. Please be on time. Today I came at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow also I'll be coming at 5 o'clock. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And this video, watch it again because most of you might be having a confusion. No problem. I think people ask you what is quality score, but they will not ask you this much. But having a knowledge is always important. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.